useless.
Welcome to Malalison Island, and this is how we get water. Okay? Hindi ako nag-effort. Ano lang ito?
This is how we wash.
This is BOMBA girl.
Hey, do
Beth.
something!
Meet her.
Okay, go.
What? This is our sous chef Mac. But he's kind of lazy today, so the joke. Really? Hi. I know.
So we can donate though.
This is where we live.
I'll take a video of the house.
Of course.
Paliging kita.
This is the entrance, the back door entrance. Ouch.
Excuse me guys.
Can you give us a tour? We're now in the kitchen. This is the kitchen with the sous chef. It has no running water. See? It has a sink, but there's no faucet. Wow. This is the bathroom. It has one toilet and no running water as well. And now we're back here at the dining area with Mona.
Oh, that's your area.
Yeah, she likes cleaning the place. It's the first room. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 beds. And this is the other room. And this is BOMBA Girl 2.
Number 2. Hi. Lagay dun mo. I'm sex mom number 2. Bomba girl lang siya sex mom.
Galing niya.
This is how you do it best, okay?
This is the grilling area.
May pork from grill.